Amid tight security, assembly polls commenced in the two northeastern states of Meghalaya and Nagaland. Both Nagaland and Megahalaya have 60 seats each. In Nagaland, around 13 lakh voters will get to decide the fate of 183 candidates who are contesting in 59 constituencies out of the total 60 seats today. In Meghalaya, more than 21 lakh voters, out of which almost 10.99 lakhs are women, will vote for 369 candidates. The voting in both the states began at 7 a.m. in the morning and will conclude at 4 p.m. Throngs of people were seen at the polling stations who arrived to cast their votes early in the morning. Of the 60 assembly constituencies of Meghalaya, 36 fall in Khasi, Jantia Hills region, while 24 are in Garo Hills. The current term of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will conclude on March 15. The majority mark in Meghalaya is 31 seats. As the election campaign ended on a high note, all contesting parties made a last attempt to win over the voters. Many top-notch leaders, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, pitched in at the last leg of the campaigns. In Nagaland, BJP candidate Kazeto Kinimi was re-elected unopposed from Akhuloto constituency after his opponent and Congress candidate Kekashi Sumi withdrew his nomination. For the remaining 59 constituencies, over 2,315 polling stations have been installed with 11,500 polling staff. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the Election Commission for their work to reach out to every eligible voter, enabling them to vote with ease in Meghalaya. Polling teams travelled through tough terrains, sailed to Kamsing polling station with only 35 voters as they carried polling materials to ensure that no voter was left behind.